Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to increase laptop Wi-Fi signal and speed on Windows 11/10/8/7. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First, go to your Windows icon, right-click on it, then click on Run To. Open your Run command and then type ncpas as cpl. Then click on Enter. Now, if you are using a Wi-Fi, right-click on it. Then go to Properties and click on Configuration. Now go to Advanced tab. Now on the Properties section, search for Fat Channel Intolerance. Now change the value to Enable. Now again go to the Properties section and search for Roaming Aggressiveness. You can see the option and change the value to Lowest. Now go to the Power Management tab and untick this option, then click on OK, and your Wi-Fi will reconnect automatically. This is our first step. Now move on to our step 2. Again, right-click on this Wi-Fi option. Then go to Properties. Now select this option, Internet Protocol version IP4. Then click on Properties. Now take this option, use the following DNS server addresses. Now enter 8.8.8.8 and type 8.8.4.4. This is Google free DNS, and it will help you to boost your internet speed. And click on OK. Then click on Close. So these are the 2 easy steps you can apply to boost your internet speed and boost your Wi-Fi signals on your laptop. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.